Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be exploring GreenShift's shadow panel in the WordPress editor. Alright, so to enter the WordPress editor, there's a bunch of ways to do it, but the easiest one is to go to the page that you want to edit, which is for us this About Us page. Go to the top toolbar and click on Edit Page. That should take you to the WordPress block editor. Alright, so here we are. So for purposes of this video, I've made this background a solid color so the shadow will stand out a bit better. So first off, make sure that the block that you're editing is a GreenShift one, and this one's heading advanced. If it isn't, you can go ahead and enter the block inserter here and scroll down to find GreenShift elements, and then figure out which one you want, and then just drag and drop it over here. So this one's a heading. We went ahead and replaced it with this advanced heading. All right, so let me change up the hover color to something a bit more bright. Oops. All right, that'll work just fine. So we can click on this block over here, and you can see it is a heading advanced or advanced heading. We can close up all of these other panels here since we're not going to focus on those in this video. Let's go ahead and click on shadow, and you can see we can add up to 3 shadows. We can set a transition time for the hover effect in advanced CSS transform. Right, so we can do that over here. Right, so there's a few different presets that we can use, and you can see it comes up right here. So I'll go ahead and change up this color to, let's say, pink, and you can kind of, or how about some form of orange? There we go, just so it's a bit brighter. And you can see the different presets that we have. Actually, let's go back to this one, and all right, just copy this hex code here so that we can look at all of these other ones. Oops. And you can see they're a bit different. Oops. Each time. And you can see that the presets are changed each and every time. Oops. Right. And the last one looks like this. Okay. So we can have it as that. And if let's start from the top going down. We have normal and we have hover. So we can change it to something else here. And then the color could be red. And you can see it's a bit different. Let's choose something that stands out a bit more. Probably this one. Okay, so you can see that we have 2 states for our shadow, which is the normal one, which is this glowy one, and then our hover, which is this red one here. Okay, and we can also add other parts to it. So we have this 1, 2, position 1 through 3, right? We can also add these to make them a bit more complex. Let's say 4, 4, 5, 3, right? And you can see that it makes it a bit more complex. And then let's have this one be green, blue, no, purple, magenta. And then we can have this 7, 3, 2, 10, right? And then we can change it to be either an inner shadow or an outer shadow. So we can have it as that. So for demonstration purposes, we'll just have it as these. And we can put the custom value here with CSS and stuff. But these are the normal ones you'll have here. So if you had a white background, you would obviously use dark shadow, but we're going to use these neon colors just to make it a bit easier for us to see. So I'll go ahead and save this, and let's take a look at our changes in our actual site. So here we have our About Us page, and we haven't done anything yet about shadows. Let's go ahead and reload it. And now you can see we now have inner and outer shadows, and we have a different kind of shadow when we hover over our block or our element. So there's the shadow panel in GreenShift. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.